Welcome you all to this new video of me burping. I will do my best to create the best burps and just enjoy it. I'm just inhaling some air right now. Let's just wait a little while now. That was very weak. I can do better. I can do way better. And as you see, I've done something to my beard. Hope you all like it. But the burp is coming up, I guess. I will wait. I will just wait. There is something coming up. Wait, is there something coming up? Let's do a loud one right now. Ah man, it's not working. Oh man. Just small ones. That's okay too. And of course, excuse me for all the burps.